బెంగళూరులో ఎయిర్ ఇండియా షో జరుగుతోంది. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Just in case you missed some finer details of the maneuver earlier on, we have once again for you the spectacular loop Tambalior, repeated at this time, right head on to you. The loop, the tumble, and the yaw. We won't blame you if you're awestruck by the superior maneuvering that is on display here today. Now I would like to draw attention to the signature maneuver of this aircraft and the highlight of the spectacular display, the tail slide. Have you ever seen an aircraft in reverse gear? This might be our only chance to do so as the pilot stops the aircraft on its tail and slides it down tail first. A big hand for the mighty Super 30 MKI. This truly displays the extraordinary performance of this aircraft and the stability of its engines in such an adverse and harsh maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sukhoi 30 combines the ruggedness of Russian technology and Western avionics, but it truly remains an Indian at heart. After an energetic display of maneuvers, the pilot is now coming in for a landing. Generally, an aircraft takes the full runway to come to a full stop after landing. However, the fighter will now demonstrate the short landing capability, where you will see it completes its landing roll in less than half the runway, coming to a halt just to the right of you.
As the wing walkers get ready to groove you, you can see them rolling into the track. Look at them, soaring the aircraft as if moving to the sounds of